Hello everyone, this is Ms. Hewell. In this video, we will be able to write equivalent fractions. For example, 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4, which is also equivalent to 3/2. Okay, so equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value even though they may look different. They have different numerators, which is the top of a fraction, and denominators, which is the bottom of a fraction, but the value is the same. So we can say I have half of something. It would be equivalent to saying I have 6/12. 6 over 12 is the same as 50 out of 100. 1 out of 2 is the same as 6 out of 12, is the same as 50 out of 100. I can simplify all of those to 1/2. They're all equal to half. Equivalent fractions. So here is half of a pizza. Here is 2/4 of a pizza. So instead of the pizza being cut in half, it's cut into 4 sections. 2 of those sections would be still half of the pizza. And that is also equivalent to 4/8. So if my pizza is cut into 8 sections and I take 4 slices, that's still half the pizza. Okay. So to generate equivalent fractions, we can multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. So in our 1/2 example, if I have 1/2, 1 over 2, and I multiply the top and bottom by 2, you get 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. And then if we want to make another equivalent fraction, 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So let's look at this example. 1/3, 1 over 3 equals 3/9. What do I multiply the top by 1? Multiply it by what to get 3? Well, 1 times 3 is 3. And then on the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9. So I multiplied the top and bottom by 3 to get 3/9. So I know these are equal. I can make another equivalent fraction. I can multiply the top and bottom by any number, really. What if I want to multiply the top and bottom by 2? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 9 times 2 is 18. So 1/3 is equal to 3/9 is equal to 6 over 18. We can make another one. We can multiply it by 2 now. It really doesn't matter. 6 times 2 is 12. And 18 times 2 is 36. So another equivalent fraction is 12 over 36. So we can sometimes use this idea of equivalent fractions to find a missing numerator or denominator. So 5 over 7 is equal to what over 21? Well, what number did I multiply 7 by to get 21? 7 times 1, no, that's 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So I can multiply the top by 3 as well to get my equivalent fraction. 5 times 3 is 15. So 5/7 is equal to 15 over 21. Let's try the next example. 2 times what number equals 10? 2 times 5 equals 10. So the bottom of this fraction I can get by multiplying the bottom by 5 as well. 9 times 5 is 45. So 2/9 is equal to 10 over 45. And that is all we have for this video. Can you write equivalent fractions now?